Alright guys, so just to give you some context, right, what we are trying to do here. So we had already updated our neovim plugin in Lua to make sure that the format is right based on the recent upgrade we have done. Okay, but now what's more important is right now it's not working for some reason and we are trying to debug. Okay, so I'm just going to continue debugging, and if you want to watch it live, you can watch it on Twitch. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube, so you can, yeah, go here and out. All right, can you show me what I'm looking for? Get top end context. Yeah, this is the function I'm gonna look for, right? Can you, oh, I think there's something wrong here, right? Yeah, file full path is there. Oh, I didn't update it. That's why. See, that's what happens, right? When you don't have common variables. Like over here, I think that's what I missed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna take some inspiration. Okay, command context palette file path. This is top and authors, right? I'm not looking for top and authors, sir, for this, right? So here's the full path, -s. So I haven't given the folder path and that's why it's failing, okay? So what you need to do is get the full path of the buffer. Is fine, you want it, sure. Or you don't need it as well, to be honest, but it's okay. Anyways, you want local folder path. Yeah, you want this here. And what I'm gonna do is full path is here. Then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do folder path. And I'm gonna do this. Perfect, guys. You know, in -e, I'm passing it as 0. What that means is if -e is 0, we'll just take the. Let's quickly check if it works that way, because it's been some time since I've used it. So when I do -e in 299, instead of that, if I do 0, yeah, it works. Definitely it works. Cool. This is a good news for all of us who are watching my stream right now. I know you guys are not happy about it, but it's okay. I mean, you guys don't care, right? Yeah. Life, my friend, life. Okay, instead of taking the full path, I will also rather, I don't know, I'll rather stick to getting just the file name, right? So folder path, this thing, buff get name 0. That's it. That's all I need. Because a famous singer once said, what? That's all I really want to do. That's a song, by the way. Okay, I know you guys don't care. Okay, so that's, oh, what did I do? Can you please replace file path? Yeah, there you go. That's it. Tada, tada. Okay, so this is done. I don't think I need, yeah, I was just doing it for debugging, is it? I was doing too many things for debugging. Okay, this is check, right, of just for the sake of saving our time. Is it what we are looking for? Yep. -s1. Yep. Okay, that's it. Ta-da. Let's quickly check for context, like authors as well. I think this is fine. This is all fine. I have no issues with it. We updated that as well. Authors range, did you update, my friend? Yeah, you did update, which is good. Good luck. Congratulations and celebrations. Yeah, let's just get rid of this. I don't need it. I don't need this extra commands over here. Okay, you know, people will feel bad about if they look at this. Okay, cool. Congratulations, guys. How do you call congratulations in Korean? I don't know. I only know thank you and I love you. That's the only 3. I mean, there are a few more that I know because of my lovely teammates. Cool. This is done. What I need to do is I need to go to nvim srcdb.rs and do context palette context now. Ideally, it should work. Yeah. Ta-da. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3. Clap. See? You guys like it? Do you guys like it? No? It's okay. Because no one is here in my stream, is it? Cool. See? Super beautiful, right? See? Okay. You want to try this again? Sure. Why not? Here you go. See? Want to try again? See? And you can search from it. Thanks to, of course, our lovely telescope. So let's replace context GPT now, because what I want is I want context pilot. Ta-da! Can you please? Yeah, okay. I will also put it context pilot. Yeah. Earlier I used to call it context GPT, but right now it's context pilot because I'm not using any GPT here. I don't want to use terms just for the sake of it. I want to use the things that I'm using right now. All right, that's done, guys. Amazing. I just want to get rid of print statements as well. Honestly, I don't think that's a good idea of having appending data. like printing all this. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, let's just be honest to ourselves. Let's get it done. All right, so neovim plugin is unblocked. Fix things in getting context for all the current file. Also replace GPT with pilot in the command output only. Okay, that's it, guys. Kamsahamnida. That means thank you. You learned something new. Maybe not Rust, but at least you learned Korean. All right, so this is it. Let's quickly check as well. What I want to do is I want to select some file, like a range, and I want to do context palette context. Oh, I don't think I can do it right now in neovim. What I will have to do is context palette, context palette. Yeah, I'll have to register it later on. Right now, it's not an option that I'm giving to people. I know it. I don't have the registered key map for it, to be very honest, and it's my next challenge. Okay, but anyways, all right. Okay, that's it. Any changes here, sir? What did you do? What did I do here? Couldn't write the db to data file path. Why are these things there? I don't think I need them. Nah, I don't. Oh, I need it. Oh, so it hasn't really gone to the. Yeah, I need to write this output, right? That's what is needed. Write output to the file object when you're storing. That was a bug that I didn't push. I mean, that was a commit that I forgot to push. Oh, I'm pushing it to main directly. Do I need to? No. Can I just go back? Can I check out B? Let's say push PR small bug fix store data. Can I do git push origin? How does it work? Not really what I wanted. Okay, sorry. Can you show me? Okay. Alright, let's just do LG. Shift P. Yep. Cool. Let's push, guys. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Here it comes. Okay. This is done. Alright, so we are there now, which is good. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I need to update my keyboard config as well, by the way. Alright, so this is done. Let's go to nvim-src-db.rs, right? So this is really good. Let's go to another file. What I want to do is I want to go to nvim config and try here. All right, amazing, guys. This is outstanding. You know, I've been looking, but yeah, that's something oh, this is empty file. I was concerned, why is it not working? Cool, it's an empty file, so that's why it's empty. Okay, let's try again. Can you give me again? Yeah, let's go to LSP handlers maybe. Ta-da! Outstanding. Like seriously, I can't tell you how happy I am with this. I know you guys are not happy, but I'm happy. I'm very happy. It's a long 6 months work, I know. I mean, not really 6 months, I know. It didn't deserve that much amount of time, but of course I was on and off. Okay. Alright, do I have any PR to push to main? Why is it slow? Why is my internet slow? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, you guys can hear me. Oh, there's a... Oh, apologies. I didn't look at the PR. Removed some warnings and added a log for the case when DB doesn't exist. Oh, I see. Thank you so much for adding this. Who are you, my friend? I forgot. You could have just requested my review here. That's okay. The DB file doesn't exist for the given path. Okay. Add a log that DB file doesn't exist. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Can move this to now. Thank you. All right, this is the first contribution I've had for my pull request. I mean, for my project context palette RS. I mean, there have been other contributions from my. Why does it? When I click on it, I don't want. Oh, you know what? Do I know this person? Bogdan. Okay, probably just output string. Okay, I see. And when this change is made, I'll probably have to. Yeah, just kind of someone remind me please that I have to merge it with main again after this is done. Output string here. File object. Cool. Oh no, I mean, yeah, I'm not using them there. Oh yeah, sorry about this. I forgot to use them. So I've created a PR that would use these objects. All right, let's quickly create the PR. I appreciate, like, I know what they were trying to do here. They were trying to get rid of the warnings that this object is. What's up with Edge? Why are you so slow today? What's my speed? I mean, not my speed, but my internet speed. What's the speed? Yeah, it's fine. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I don't need this. This is not needed, right? Yeah. Bug fix. Store output into the file on exit. Yeah, I forgot to. All right. Let me quickly get rid of that change as well. I would love that guy to that guy's commit to land in, so I'm just gonna wait for him to, or maybe I'll just add a suggestion and yeah, I'll just do it. I think they have done good job there. So let's just do this. All right, let's get rid of this. Come on, yeah, there you go. I'll add a single comment here. I will. Let's keep it this way. Yeah, because I'm gonna use them anyways now. Can I have this again? Let's keep this as well. Okay. And let's keep this as well. Are see, since GitHub, I don't know why they laid off so many people. If they can't, I'm just irritated by GitHub right now. There's so many things. If you see that GitHub incidents have increased over time. Hello, how are you doing? Hi, yaar. Hi, I'm Mushtaq. How are you, yaar? It's been a long time without you, my friend. Thank you so much for joining. I'm just wrapping up my project and I'm just helping a guy's PR to land in my project. That's the first time someone has committed. So I'm happy. How have you been? How are things with you? Are they good? I'm sorry, I've been kind of not really announcing that I'm streaming, guys. Hi, please join because I don't know, not a lot of people join anyways. So I didn't have many hopes. Look at this. GitHub is totally down. Is GitHub slow for you as well, or is it just me? Can someone please confirm? That would be great if someone can please confirm. I was in Bangalore last week. I forgot to catch up with you. Oh yeah, you. Oh shit, man. You should have pinged me. Whenever in Bangalore, just ping me. Let's catch up for sure. Why are you there? Are you working in Bangalore, or were you there for an office trip or meeting friends? If I can ask. What were you doing in Bangalore, my friend? What were you doing? Okay. Get rid of extra comments. All right. Let's get it pushed as well. I'm gonna. Okay. I will now. I may be traveling to Bangalore soon again. Will ping you for sure, yeah, definitely. I hope Twitter is a good platform to ping. If not, you can, yeah, just DM me on Twitter. I think I'll be able to respond back for sure. Okay, let's approve this PR. He never thought that someone will contribute to my project and they'll be able to, I think it's just nice to see. So slow. GitHub is so slow for me. I don't like it. GitHub, can you hear me? GitHub, hello. This is super slow. My internet is not slow. Yeah, work for a startup. I came for office visit. I see. How's it working for a startup? Is it an Indian startup or is it an outside startup? Like, I mean, what is it? This is very slow. I wanted to get this in Indian startup. Is it? Nice. Nice, yeah. Good to know. Hope you're enjoying. Just take care of yourself. I think Indian startups generally push themselves too hard. Hey guys, let's do this. Let's do 15 hours a day. Let's do 16 hours a day. And then let's leave all this after 6 months of work because we push too hard. You know, that's something they do quite often. And then they hire one more set of people and then they do this again. And the chain continues. It's good to see someone doing it, to be honest. Yay, someone commented here. I'll discuss this in personal. I see, I see. Thank you so much for adding the log. Apologies for getting back late to this PI. Have approved, made some slight changes. Reverted the changes for unused variable warning, as it was a bug, but I fixed. Yeah. All right. That's enough for the hint. Yeah, just let me know if you're planning for a switch. If my company is hiring, I can refer you. And don't worry, you can talk openly about it. I mean, who cares? Yeah? No, don't talk openly. I am kidding. I am very old now. I don't care. But you're young. You should care. Thank you again for your contribution. All right. But do I know this guy? That's what I'm curious about. It's very nice for someone to come up and contribute. Feels good, man. It's like, all of them coming together and making sure that it works. All right. I can't wait to release this after 6 months, guys. I can understand. Yeah. Nice. Cool. Let's merge all these branches now. And let's get it done. Ta-da, this is merged. Need to start writing this. Anyway, so where are you living right now? Are you in Pune? Are you in... I don't know. Pune came just randomly in my mind. All right. These days I'm trying to implement coding challenges. Yeah. Challenge curl, is it? Yeah, that's a really good way to learn, to be honest. I know, I mean... You're in Chandigarh, is it? I see. Nice city. I've never been... I've been to Chandigarh when I was a kid. They used to show me the rock garden, right? On a school trip or something. Coding challenges is a good way to learn, I know, but keep doing lead code, by the way. I think people have misunderstood the Indian market and in general the market as well. Problem solving through competitive coding is as important as open source or doing projects, because you learn different things, to be honest. Solving a problem in 30 minutes is a thing, and solving a problem comprehensively in a day is a thing. You should be good enough in both to cross interviews. Yeah. I used to be the opposite person before. I'm like, why should I do lead code and all? But then I realized, it's no shame to accept your mistake and just do it, right? I still don't understand why they ask some typical questions that are not needed, to be honest. Like, I don't like all the questions they ask, right? But I'm no one to comment on what they like or what they don't like. If I were to have my own startup, I'll definitely not ask lead code. But then if it will grow bigger, then I will have to consider something which is very generic, right? And something very generic right now is probably just, right? Lead code. Yeah, balance is important. Yeah. You see, you're a computer science engineer. If you come and say this to me that, hey, I don't know database systems, buddy, like at least have an idea about it. That's all I'm asking for, because that's not something you're taught in your college days. Nobody is asking. If someone asks me, hey, could you explain me this 100 lines of SQL query? No, okay, that's too much. My work doesn't involve that, so I'm not gonna spend time doing it if that's not my passion. But at least getting to know the basics is very important. This makes me pissed off, special lead code questions, but that's how the world works. Yeah, I mean, see, there are two things you can do. The very first thing is that you can keep crying about it that I did. Okay. I got lucky that I still had a job. Okay. They were very smart people, very kind people who never used to ask lead code questions. Even they would, honestly, I'm not that bad at lead code. I've always been able to cross interviews with lead code. But the point is, there are two things you can do. You can cry about it, or you can be the part of this competition, excel it, and then be at a position where you can make a call and say that, okay, when I open my company, I'm not going to do this. But then you have to go through the process, right? Like, for example, a lot of people say that, hey, let's take an example. Okay, you say that, for example, take example of Ambani, right? He would have done things that ideally he would not believe in, but then he knew that once I become rich and become the most powerful person in terms of money in India, I'll be able to make calls and I'll be able to make decision, right? So for that like position to reach to, he needs to follow the process that is existing right now. You can't fight the system unless until you're that powerful. And to become powerful, you have to be part of the system first, right? That's what I believe in, honestly. Like, the see politics, for example, right? It's not like anyone is clean. We all know, right? Nobody is clean, but they have fought through the system and then they're trying to fix things. Irrespective of what party, honestly, I'm not politically oriented, but that's what I mean. If someone has to be in, if I would be young enough and I would see an IAS officer doing corrupt things, I can't fight him, right? I have my family. I know if I will say something, they might just attack my family or something, right? The thing that you can do is you can fight the system by being part of the system first. Not like you should face it. You can go to court and all. That's not what I'm saying. But accept the struggle, excel it, and then fix things. That's what I've learned so far. But I'm very young right now. Maybe after 5 years, I'll come with another logic. So yeah, after 5 years, we'll come back again on this day and talk more about it. If my stream stays live till that time, and if you come. Anyways, cool. This is good work, guys. Let's quickly check out the main and git pull origin main. Let's get the guys comment as well. I understand what you mean. Yeah, I'm sure you will understand, to be honest. Like, I may not be able to properly express what I mean, but I'm sure that you understand. Yeah, I think we all do, right? For example, honestly, I'm not in favor of diversity hiring, right? As a guy, it just feels very weird that people come and just hire girls from the campus and don't even interview guys. I mean, why? Are you looking for talent? No. Or are you looking for female talent? Why? Right? But then I can't keep on complaining it. At some point of time, I might enter a company where actually they will do it. I can't just go and keep crying about it. The only thing I can do is, okay, one day if I will have my own company, I will not do it. I don't care how many girls are there in my company. I don't care how many guys are there in company. As long as the work is getting done, as long as they're happy about it, as long as it meets the standards, I'm happy. I'm going to give everyone an equal chance, no matter of gender or caste or any race, right? But if all of the guys excelled in that test, I'm sorry, you're out. But if all the girls excelled in that test, oh, sorry guys, you're out. As simple as that, right? There are few things that are in. That's a separate topic I don't want to talk about. It's a hot topic that people, I know, like, this thing. But I'm pretty sure that all of us have faced it, right? So it sucks, right? Yeah. It's not good. Anyways. What are you afraid of, Mushtaq? Understand what you mean. Yeah, I know you understand. I know a lot of guys will understand. I haven't seen any guy disagreeing to my point of view here because they've faced it. I have faced it personally. I have seen myself getting rejected multiple times and same equal. Not. I can't comment much. Yeah, it's not a good thing to comment on now. It's just unfair. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah. All right, so we are there now. In terms of, can I quickly check context palette? Context. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da. This is nice here. I like it. See? You should use it if you're using neovim. Are you doing a advent of code? Nahi, yaar, I don't think I have enough time. It's not about time, to be honest. Like, I started doing it, but then I was on call for my company. Advent of code, I think needed a lot of motivation for me, and I'm really out of energy right now. I joined gym for a couple of days, and since then my shoulders are paining, and I haven't been able to work properly. And then I realized, gym, like lifting heavy weights and all, is not for me. I can run longer. I can run 7 kilometers. I can run eight. Not eight probably, but seven is what I've reached so far. But I can't. I can't do gymming. It's not me. Maybe at one point of time I will do, but right now so much work. Right, I have to type, and my hands I use when I'm typing, and I don't want to hurt them. What font are you using on terminal? Oh, you like it? Oh, you too. I see. I see. Good to know. It's a nice font. Sorry, that's not an answer. But actually, it's not so easy to share. So it's iOS Nerd font, but I've changed the line height to 1.10 and cell width to 1.07. If I'll quickly show you, originally that's what it looked like. Okay. If you see, it's very narrow, but I didn't like it narrow. I wanted it to be a bit like wanted to have some space in each cell. So that's why I increased the cell width, and initially line height was also small, which I didn't like. So I'm like, okay, no, get it to 10. For all these things, I think I will just share the link with you. It will be easy. For getting IUSEPCA nerd font, I'm pretty sure you can go to nerd fonts using the same font. But yeah, I think all you can do is just change the. Have I updated this? I don't think I have updated. Yeah, that's not good. Come on, Kush, you can do that. That's not you. But with less width, yeah, you can. I think the width is too much, right? Like, I don't like. What about you? Like, do you like the original width? I don't like it. Not sure about you. Can share your opinion. Okay, let's actually commit the changes. Are are. Oh, you're happy. I see. Okay, I will not say anything then. If you're happy, okay, fine. But mine is better. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Uh, Git checkout, or maybe I am. What is Z shell changes? What the hell? Have I not merged the PR? That's the Windows PR, right? Oh, I haven't really merged it. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's just have it here. LG, Bestam, Lua. Oh, sorry. Okay, change ISFK not font height and cell width. Cool. Let me quickly push it. Awesome. This is done as well. I need to update that VS Code plugin now. I don't want to do it. I'm really not in a mood. But okay, let's do it next. I think let's do it in next stream. I don't really want to do it. What's the issue? Retain environment. Yeah, this is something I wanted to do. Cool. This is done. Congratulations, everyone. Clap, 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 clap. Alright, this is done. Ta-da. My dev setup post. We have a post for it. Let's see. Let's see what you have. It's old. So you're born in 1997, is it? That's why you have 97 there. I switched to Mac from Windows. For almost 1 year and 4 months, I was working on Windows across my job. Net and C Sharp.net. .NET. C Sharp and .NET. Sorry. I've not worked on C Sharp ever. I think only once. You use item 2. Oh my C shell. Yeah. This like. See, when you come from Windows, definitely you will know about this theme, right? Yeah. This is a very rectangular, like if you see the borders, right? Oh, since then you have been using ISFK. It's definitely ISFK, right? Neovim you still use Neovim, right? I hope so. Yep, okay. That yep was for what? I still, oh yep, okay. Telescope plugin to search browse files, yeah, okay. List of plugins I installed right now on my system. Cool. What other apps you use? Web browser, of course. What web browser? Which web browser? I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, these are good things to do, to be honest. Like, rectangle window manager, yeah. Chrome. You should try Arc browser. Haven't you tried Arc browser? You still use item? Kennedy. Do you still use You have a term color theme. It's nice. Cool, yeah. Good work. I've been maintaining this for how long? I don't know. They should actually share how old is a you know I don't know. It's 2022. Yeah, I've been June 2, 2022. It's been more than a year and a half since I've been maintaining dot files. Good stuff. It feels good, right? I mean, yeah, you should always do it. Was this Feb 5, 2022? It's quite old. Yeah, things Juno DB on Mac. Ta ta ta. Cool, yeah. I've heard about Juno DB. It's from what, PayPal? Yeah, PayPal. So good. Yeah, yeah. Good, yeah, good. Nice to know. Always good to keep writing, to be honest. I know we haven't written for so long. I mean, since some months. I haven't written as well, to be honest. It takes a lot of energy. It's not, as I said, you can only do n things at a time, right? You can't do n square. There's always a limit. You have to live your life as well. All right. So maybe it's time to uh, log off from the stream. I know it was a short stream. Mr. Thank you so much for being here, by the way, guys. If you want to see what he was typing so long, sorry, I can just quickly show the chat here. Ta-da! That's what he was typing. And that's where he was on Twitch. I will post a recording on YouTube, but I know people are gonna sound like, hey, who is he talking to? Cool. Thank you so much for being here, Amishtak, and thank you so much whoever joins me on YouTube later on. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want. There's no force at all. I'm not a YouTuber. Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida means thank you in Korean. Take care. Thank you so much, Amishtak, again for being here and spending your time with me doing this context pilot. Hope you will start using it, by the way. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.